We are about to start today's class, and I have got some names. You have to tell the summary of the story in a few words. ठीक है? मैंने एक बार आपको समरी करके भी बताई थी कि किस तरीके से आपको बोलना होता है समरी को. उसी तरीके से आप फॉलो करेंगे और फटाफट से चालू हो जाएगी. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन गौरव.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is the kingdom of fools. So, once there was a kingdom whose king and ministers were fool, and they decided to not rule the kingdom like other kings. So they ordered other people to follow a rule that the day must be treated like night and the night must be treated like day.
तौर से देखो बेटा. Very good, very good.
And
Carry on. हाँ.
and whoever broke the rule was sentenced with death. So everyone with the fear of death agreed with the order and started to treat day like night and night like day. Then one day, a guru and his disciple came in, visited the village. Sorry, the kingdom. First of all, the thing that they noticed at the first sight was silence, pure silence. There was no one in the streets. Street should be off. They thought that the street should be off noise and चहल पहल को noisy बोलेंगे ना.
हाँ हाँ.
And but then when evening was coming, night was coming closer, everyone woke up and started their businesses. They prepared to start their businesses. And when when there was midnight, every market was open. And when the guru and his disciple were hungry and tried to bought some food, they were shocked to notice that everything was of the same price, one dudu. So they spent only 1 rupees on the groceries and food. And after eating the food, the guru thought that it's not safe to live in this kingdom. So he asked his disciple to leave this place. But then his disciple was very he loved food. He liked food. So he said to his guru that no, Guru ji, I will not come with you because everything is so cheap here and all, and I will survive here easily. So then the guru left the disciple. Then one day, a thief broke into a merchant's house, and then he made a hole in the wall to get in. And then he collected all the loot from the house, and as he was crawling through the hole, the wall fell down and killed the thief. And then his brother got the news of his brother's death, means the thief's death, and he complained to the king and said that the merchant should be punished because the house is his. So then the merchant was summoned in the court, and then the king said that you have killed a thief when he was doing his daily work. And now you will be sentenced death, or you will be compensated. You have to give money. And then the merchant said that no, it's not my fault. It's the fault of the mason who
हाँ
built the wall. Because, and I know the mason who built it, but he built this wall in my father's time or my father's era.
हाँ हम्म,
And I know that where the mason live now.
हाँ
So then uh, the king sent his messengers to bring that mason.
हाँ
Then the mason was summoned in the court. Then again the king asked the same question to the mason,
हाँ बेटा बोल
and then the mason said that it's not my fault, and because it's the fault of a dancing girl who was passing uh, near who was passing
हाँ
near me,
दो चतले बिछा
and
सकते हो क्या दिक्कत
his
दो है क्या
the jingle sound, the jingling sound of his anklets were disturbing me from making the wall. That's why I made the wall
लोही को उड़ जाना
weak. So then the king again sent his messengers
गले में डाले ना
to bring that girl, and then the
इसको
and
निकाल दो लोही
but now the girl was
इसको तो
an old lady.
नहीं लोही को
Then
हाँ
the king asked that you have killed uh, a thief
लोही निकालोगे इसमें
or
से
a person,
अच्छा चद्दर निकाल दी
and
निकाल देना इसका
you have to give
मुश्किल
compensation
हो
to
रहा
us,
है
and
ना बंद
also
कर
you
देंगे
have and you will be punished for this. So that's the story for now, and that's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा नाइस एक्सप्रेशन अच्छा लगा बेटा जिस तरीके से तुमने पढ़ाया बोला है इसको आवाज बिल्कुल क्लियर थी तुम्हारी आज ऐसे फिसलती हुई सी आवाज नहीं थी तुम्हारी है ना शाबाश बेटा यस हर्षित
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Maurya, and today's my topic is the Kingdom of Fools. Once there was a kingdom of fools where a king and his minister both were fools, and they decided to change the night into days and days into night to make themselves look other than the kingdoms. So once guru and his disciple went to the kingdom, then they found that there was no one, and then they at the night they found that everyone was outside, and then they came to know that the people used to work in the night. And then after that, when they went to a grocery store, they found that everything that they bought only cost one dodo, whether they buy a whole stack of banana or anything else. And then when the guru and disciple when the guru and disciple lived there for a long time, they came to know that that was done by the minister and his king to make themselves different from others. Then one day, uh, when a thief was doing his work, which was robbery, then when he cut down a wall of a merchant's house, then the wall fell upon him, and then uh, the thief died. For that, the brother of the thief went to the king's palace, and there he complained and asked for justice. So the king called the merchant, as he had built a very weak wall. And for this, the merchant said that I didn't make the wall, and it was the fault of the person who made this wall, who was bricklayer. And then the mason or bricklayer was called at the palace of the king, and uh, he was too old at the time. Then he also put his views, as the king was about to execute him. So he said that I was disturbed by a gun. I was disturbed by a girl who was walking through the way with jingling anklets. So that disturbed me at the time and made me make a weak wall. And then the girl also put her way, as the king was also about to execute her. The girl said that I was on my way, as I had put the jewelries at the goldsmith's shop to be made. when the goldsmith was called, then the goldsmith also
नहीं,
said
इतनी तो
that
हमने सुनाई नहीं थी तुम्हारे
I
में.
was in the work of making
इतना इतना तो
the
सुनाया नहीं था हमने तुम्हारे को.
jewelry, so that he could not make the jewelries of the girl. And then he said that I made the jewelries of the father of the merchant. So at last it was decided that the merchant's father will be executed, but merchant's father had died, so they decided to execute the merchant, but merchant was too thin to be executed. So they decided to call a very fat man, and then they found the disciple who was too fat as he had eaten too much. And then he was kept in prison and was about to be executed. Then the disciple called his guru, and and they both made a plan. They said that the one who will execute will be the king of the new era, and the second one will be the minister. So in this way they made the king and minister die. That's it, sir.
You told all the story, but you have to tell the part of the story that was told to you. Okay, no problem. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm telling the story that is in the kingdom of fools. So, once there was a kingdom, and in that kingdom, the king and the ministers of the kingdom wanted to make their kingdom look different from the other kingdoms. So they decided to change day into night and night into day. So then they ordered all the people of the kingdom that they have to work in night and they have to sleep in day.
No, no, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
And if anyone is unable, if anyone if anyone does not follow the rules, he or she will be sentenced to death. So everyone started to follow these rules, and
कैटल्स
kettles
नहीं,
were
कैटल
also
ही होता है,
taught
बस
to.
कैटल ही प्लूरल होता है. बोलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cattle were also told to follow, were also taught to follow these rules. And but then one day on a bright sunny day, uh, a, dis- a guru and his disciple came into the kingdom where they found no one outside their houses, and they also found that the cattle the cattle were also sleeping. And so they wandered all the day, and at evening they found that people were starting to come outside their houses and working in their shops. So then they after then they understood that in this kingdom people work in the night. And and when then they went to a grocery store where they found that everything, sir,
Cost
कितना
for
sum cost.
everything costed.
Yes, sir. Everything costed only for one dodo. Whether they whether they would buy a bunch of banana uh, or 1 kg of rice.
Hmm.
Everything costed one dodo. So and in this kingdom the guru and his disciple lived for some days. Then the guru understood that this is not a good idea to stay in this kingdom. So he asked his disciple that to go with him. And but his disciple was fond of eating, so he denied to go from the kingdom. So then the guru went from the kingdom, and the disciple lived there. And after some days the disciple became very fat by eating food in the kingdom. And and now the story takes a turn. One day in the kingdom, a thief was a thief was robbing a house, a merchant's house. But when after looting the things from the merchant's house, when he was going outside the house by a hole that was made by the thief, but the wall was very weak because it was built in the time of the merchant's father. So the wall fell on the thief, and the thief died. So then the brother of the thief went to the king, and the brother of the thief went to the king and asked and requested the king to compensate the thief's family and punish the merchant. But uh, then the king sent his messengers to bring the merchant. Then the merchant was brought uh, in the palace of the king. Then the king asked about the wall from the merchant. Then the and said him that he or she have to has uh, has to die because he because his the wall of his house
ज्यादा आगे आ
fell
गया
on the thief, so
हाँ अब ज्यादा पीछे हो
he
गया
is guilty. But the merchant said that this wall was built by a
तो आगे करो
mason,
हाथ उठा
not
के
by
करो
him.
बस
And so then the mason was called by the king in the
दिखेगा ही नहीं
palace.
तुम्हें वो इतना ज्यादा आगे
Then
टेढ़ा
the
है इसमें टेढ़ा कर रहे हो तुम इसको
mason was about
टेढ़ा कर रहे
to
हो
be
तुम इसको गलत
punished
रख रहे हो
by
अपनी
the
घड़ी को
king, but
थोड़ा सीधा रखो इसको
but
थोड़ा
then
झुका
the
के हाँ
mason said that he did not want to
टेढ़ा मत रखो इसको बेटा सीधा रखो तुम इसको
build the weak wall.
हाँ
But a girl wearing anklets that produced a jingling sound went downstairs from the merchant's house when the mason was building the wall.
हाँ
So this distracted the mason, and he built a weak wall.
थोड़ी तेज से और वो भी तेज
So
से तेज है ना वो भी
so
एकदम
then king
करवाया
thought
मैंने
that it is that the girl is guilty. So he sent his messengers to
बैठ गया ना अपने पास
bring the girl. And so the story is till now the story ends at this place.
वैसे तो
It will continue in further classes. That's it, sir.
क्या अच्छा हाँ बेटा हो गया बेटा हो गया बेटा ओके बेटा वेरी गुड बाद में कौन कौन आ गए धीरे धीरे आते हैं ये यस अंजलि
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is Kingdom of Fools. The story. So, at the kingdom, there are king and his ministers.
हाँ आराम से बोलो घबराओ मत हाँ
Minister. They both are fools.
आर नहीं बेटा वर पास्ट टेंस को फोकस करो
They were fools.
हाँ
They do not want.
Did
They
not.
did not wanted.
वांट
They did not wanted.
वांटेड नहीं बेटा वांट वर फॉर्म पे फोकस करो
Want to run the kingdom like other kings. So they decided that night treated like day and day treated like night. And if someone do not follow it, it सर ऐसे कैसे कहेंगे, वो मर जाएगा.
He would be punished.
He would be punished.
To death.
He would be punished. Of the fear of punishment, everyone follow it. At one bright day, sunny day, one guru and his disciple came to the at the day. There was silence. No one was out. No one were outside their houses. When there is night, everyone out going for doing their
वर्क फॉर्म को फोकस करो, वर्क फॉर्म पे ध्यान रखो. इधर उधर ध्यान मत दो आप, इधर उधर ध्यान मत दो, आपका फोकस इधर उधर जा रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता क्या कर रहे हो आप.
at night people opening their shops.
ओपनिंग क्यों आएगा? वर्क फॉर्म को ध्यान रखो. पीपल ओपनड देयर शॉप्स. ओपनिंग कैसे आएगा बेटा?
Opened their shop, opened their shops, and every market opened. And the price of everything is 1 dudu. 1 dudu. The guru and his disciple stay for some days and realized that this is the kingdom of fools. So the guru advised to the disciple to leave this kingdom. But the disciple was greedy. He said that I live here because there is everything. Here everything is cheap. So, but the guru left, and the disciple eat too much and become fat, too much fat. One day a thief loot to the merchant's house, from the merchant house and merchant's house. When he came back, was crawling from the hole, the wall suddenly fell down and killed the thief. When the brother of thief knew that, he go to the king and complain it to punish the merchant because the wall from his house. So सर ऐसे कैसे कहेंगे? उसको मर्चेंट को बुलाया गया.
Merchant was called. The merchant
was called in the king's court. He said, you will punish. You will punish and punish. You have to give money. Because the thief man killed by a wall because of failing on it. So but he said that I should be not punished because
connectivity गई.
make this ball.
हाँ
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोल 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 बोल
I do not make this ball. The mason made this ball at my father's era or time. Father's era. But I know where mason live. So the mason called, and king said that you will punished because you do not make the ball perfectly, and it killed a thief or person by falling down on it. He said that is not my I should be not punished because this is not my fault. The dancing girl doing कैसे करती है, वो बार बार आ रही थी जा रही थी.
he was coming and going again and again 22
He going and coming again and again, and the voice of the sound of his anklets disturb me, and I can't make the ball perfectly. I know where the dancing lady live. But the dancing lady was old now. सर इसके आगे मेरे को पता नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, लेकिन तुमने बस वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान नहीं रखा. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख लेते तो बहुत शाबाश बेटा, वेरी नाइस बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की बेटा तुमने, है ना बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, कोई चिंता नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. एक मिनट होल्ड करो.
थैंक यू सर.
एक मिनट होल्ड करो बेटा. अब बेटा ऐसा है, मेरी बात सुनो, अब तो 23 आ रहा है, कैसे बता रहा है ज्यादा? रिसेट करके दोबारा ले इसको.
पहले वो 22 किलो उसका था, तो रीसेट करना पड़ता.
उसको उधर भी तो होगा ना, साइड में भी तो होगा ना इसको उठाने का, कुछ वैसे कर ले इसको, ज्यादा इजी रहेगा. हाँ उठाओ इसको बेटा, एक मिनट. ये हो रहा है 23.5, 24 के आसपास हो रहा है. उसको रिसेट करके दोबारा से उठा इसको, रिसेट करके दोबारा से उसको वैसे उठा, ऐसे करो इसको. कोई बात नहीं, अब तो कंट्रोल में कर लेंगे. उधर रख इसको. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. अब उसमें से थोड़ा सा इधर कर सकते हो.
ये कितना 22.2.
हाँ उसमें से थोड़ा सा इधर कर सकते हो, कर दो. हाँ बस हो जाएगा काम. नहीं तो 1 किलो डाल दोगे तुम, इधर इधर कितना आ रहा है, उधर थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा, इधर ज्यादा हो जाएगा. दोनों को देखो तो मैं एग्जैक्टली नहीं बैठेगा.
हाँ प्लस दोनों का प्लस.
हाँ बेटा, ओके बेटा. इसका बोल लक्ष्मी आ जा
Yes,
बेटा.
sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is the summary of the kingdom of a fool.
शाबाश.
And there the king and his minister changed into day into night and night into day. So everyone have to follow them. If they didn't follow the rule and regulation, the king will punish them, and all the person followed their rule and regulation, and the king and his minister were happy and delighted. And one day a guru and his disciple arrived
सीधा बोलना बेटा.
there, and they were very hungry. So when the night came came, all the shopkeepers opened their shop, and they found that all the things cost one doodoo, and they were happy that they could buy anything in a one doodoo.
हाँ
So they brought
बॉट
they bought
ब्रॉट नहीं बेटा बॉट
yes
कोई
sir
बात
they
नहीं कोई बात
bought rice and banana, and and after that the guru realized that
साइड निकाल के साइड में डाल दो
it was the kingdom full. So we should go, we should lift this place, and we should go to another place, but the disciple didn't agree with the suggestion of the guru, and the guru left this place, and
रख
the
दे रख दे
disciple stopped there, and he became fat, and one night a thief
इसमें वजन ज्यादा नहीं है
came to
हाँ
a
बस ठीक है इसको
merchant's
कन्विंस मत करो
house
बंद करो इसको बेटा
to
कन्विंस मत करो
steal the
उसको
things,
बाद में देखी जाएगी बात जैसा भी
and
होगा
when
बेटा ये
he
बैग रह गया
was scared, he became a hole into the wall,
बंद देगी इसको
and when he was carrying his loot from the hole, the wall fall down on him and died, and after it the thief's brother
ये दूसरा तरीका
came to came to king and said that my brother killed by the merchant's wall, so you should punish the merchant, and the
हाँ
king sent his
दोनों
messenger
इसको बंद करके रखो
to bring the merchant, and merchant came there, and the king said that you will have to punish, because your wall was very weak, so due to it a man came into died,
गेम डाइड है
and
ना ये मैन वाज किल्ड सीधा सीधा बोलो ना हाँ
you will
हाँ
you will have to punish, and the merchant said that it was not my fault. This wall was built by my father's time,
हाँ
so you should it. So he said that I knew the man who built it, and after that the king sent his messenger to bring the mason, and mason came there, and he said that it was my fault when
फॉल्ट नहीं फॉल्ट
I fault
हाँ
yes, when I was building this wall, my focus didn't on it, so this wall
रिजल्ट कर दो
became weak. When I was building this wall, that time a girl was coming and going in the street, so my eyes and my
हाँ
focus
इतना चलता है
diverted to her to her, and you should punish
रिसेट कर लेना
the girl, and after that the king sent to his messenger to bring the girl, and the girl became very old, and he came there, and the king said that did you
हो गया हाँ
did you know the mason?
बंद कर देना
So she answered that I knew the mason very well, and she she said that it was my fault when he was building the wall. I was coming and going into the street
हाँ,
into the street and
कितना बेटा?
and that's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। कोशिश करते रहो बस, शाबाश, ऐसे है ना। और सुनना जरूर करो, अपनी रीडिंग अपनी इसको जरूर सुना करो बेटा, है ना। यस कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Komal Verma and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today our topic of a story, and that story name is Kingdom of Fools. And there are many characters, and there is a kingdom, and there is a king and his minister, and both were fools, and they want to run their kingdom like others king, and they changed in day into night and night into day, and people worked there, because of the fear of death. And one day Guru and his disciple arrived that city, and that city was very beautiful, and but there was no one, and they want to some food, and they purchased food, and they saw there that all things were very cheap, and they purchased things in a single doodoo, and there is a currency of that city, and there were all things there were all things can purchase in a single doodoo, like a bunch of banana and rice, etc. and that things are very impressed Guru and his disciple, and they wanted many food, and they purchased also, and but suddenly Guru realized that thing is not good, and he told to his disciple that we should go out from this area, but disciple did not leave here, because all things were cheap here, and they want to stay here, and they purchased many things like banana, ghee, wheat, rice, etc. and they grew many fat like a street bull. And one day thief came a rich merchant house, and he loot many things, and suddenly a wall break down, and the thief died, and thief's brother run to the king and complained him, and he want justice for his brother, but and king said that we will done the justice, and suddenly the king summoned the merchant, and the king told him that it is your fault, because it was your house, and you murdered a man, and the merchant said that I did not put up the wall, and it is not my fault, and
हमारा हिंदी वन पर देख लेंगे बाद में।
and this is the fault of a bricklayer, and that after that king summoned the bricklayer, and bricklayer come there, and the king told him that you you murdered a man because you didn't put that wall properly, so a man died there, and the mason told him told to king that that is not my fault, lord, because that time I was put that wall, but there I could not focus that time because a dancing girl who was going up and down, and he
देखो ना,
disturbed
बात हुई थी ना
me,
फ्रांस
so
के लिए,
I could not put
देखो
the
ना
wall
फ्रांस के लिए बात हुई थी ना ये कपल की।
properly, so you must put the you must punish that girl, and I know her, and but she is very old now,
ऊपर वाला
so
परमानंद जी से।
so you punished her, and I did not I don't fault here here, so so the king was very confused, that story is here now, and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, ओके, ठीक है बेटा। वैसे बेटा वर्क फॉर्म का तुम सभी लोग ध्यान रखा करो, तुमको सभी लोग थोड़ा वर्क फॉर्म पे ज्यादा फोकस करो, आप लोग समझ गए ना। सिमरन वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो बेटा थोड़ा। हाँ हाँ बेटा।
Okay, sir. Everyone, good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about the summary of
बेटा एक
the
मिनट रुक जा, ये B22 वालों के लिए जो टॉपिक है वो ये तो आप बोलने पाओगे इस स्टोरी पे, तो आप मनपसंद से कोई भी टॉपिक बोल देना, टीवी पे बोल देना, मोबाइल पे बोल देना, न्यूज़पेपर पे बोल देना, किसी भी टॉपिक पे बोल देना, ठीक है। यस कम ऑन सिमरन, कैरी ऑन बेटा।
the story, the summary of story, and once upon a time there was a king and his minister, and they were both full, and they made many full rules, and they want everyone work in night, and woke up in day, and they may they want they change they changed day into night, and
शाबाश बेटा।
night into day, and one day Guru and his disciple came in the kingdom, and they saw everything is very beautiful, everything was very beautiful,
शाबाश शाबाश बेटा, ऐसे
but
ध्यान रखना है बस। हाँ बेटा।
everything was very quiet, and they were very hungry, but nobody there, so they wait in the evening, everybody woke up, and the Guru quickly understood that place was dangerous, so but so the Guru advised his disciple, we left this place quickly, but the disciple didn't want to go go to the go with his guru, and
घबराए मत बेटा,
because
बिल्कुल मत घबराए बेटा.
because there was everything was very very cheap, so the disciple uh, was a greedy man, so he the disciple ate a lot of, and he became a fat man, and one day a thief entered uh, in uh, in a merchant house, and he looted many things, and when he he came back, when suddenly the wall broke down,
शाबाश बेटा.
broke down on the thief, and he the thief died on the spot, and the thief's brother uh, run away
Ran away. हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो.
ran away to the king, and he want justification
Justice.
uh, for his brothers
हाँ हाँ.
matter, and the king uh, the king the king listen carefully the thief's brother thoughts, and sent he sent her message he sent his messenger call to the merchant, and merchant came uh, the the palace, and he he told, I have no fault in this matter, I because uh, because this wall uh, build- because this wall built my father's time, so, but I know who was built this wall, so the king called the mason, and the mason came there. He told, yes, my lord, I I build this wall, but when I was building this wall, when a dancing girl walked up and down on the street, and uh, and so I have no so my mind was distracted, so I I was build wall carefully, so this I know who is the dancing girl. The king again called the dancing girl and sent his messenger bring to the dancing girl, and when the dance until the dancing girl became a old woman, and uh, the dancing girl told about this matter. Uh, yes, my lord, I woke up and down on the street because the jeweler no don't the jeweler didn't give my jewelries
बस यहीं तक ही सुनानी है आपको, जितनी सुनाई है आपको उतनी।
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
And the next part, I will tell. I will tell. After listening, next session, the story. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा। इस समरी को और छोटी करने की कोशिश करेंगे आप लोग, ठीक है ना? कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करो, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा। यस नाउ हर्ष। और ये प्रियंका और कल्पना, कल्पना तो शायद चली गई है। प्रियंका और कल्पना कोई भी टॉपिक पे बोल देना आप, और प्रियंका अगर इसी पे बोलना चाहो तो यही बोल देना। ओके, कम ऑन हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is the Kingdom of Fools. As we are narrated nowadays, from last 3 or 4 classes, the sir is telling us a story whose title is the Kingdom of Fools. So, in this story, it starts from the rules of a king and his ministers, where they wanted their kingdom to be shown different from others. So, to do so, they turned day into night and night into day. Means the work of day would be done in night, and the work of night would be done in day. It means that the people will sleep in day and do their all necessary tasks to earn in the night. And one day in the town, a guru and his disciple came, and they came in the day, and they saw that there was none in the there was no one on the streets, and they both were hungry. So they both thought that there is something unusual in this town. And when the night came, they all saw the people woke up and came on the street to do their tasks. So the guru was clever and smart, so he quickly identified that there is a problem in this town, and he asked his disciple to come along with him, because he knew that this is the kingdom of fools. And but as everything was of one doodoo, means from a chocolate to a 1 kg of banana, all costed one doodoo. So
डिटेल में नहीं
the
बताना होता समरी में, समरी में इतना डिटेल में नहीं बताना है। बोलो, आगे बोलो, बोलो, धीरे धीरे सीख जाओगे आप। बोलो।
okay, sir. And then after some days, the disciple became fatty, and now the story got a turn that once a thief was doing his loot from a merchant house, and he broke himself into a wall and looted the house. And when he was coming back, as the wall was weak, it fell on him and he died on the spot. And the brother of thief went to the king and asked for justice. Then the king sent his messengers to summon the merchant. And when the merchant came, he was directly he was directly punished to be executed. And the thief brother became happy, but the merchant said countered that I was not the one who built this wall, but it was built in my father's time, and I know the person who built this wall. So may I call him? Then the king allowed. The king sent his messengers to bring the mason, and the mason, when he came, the mason countered to the king by saying that when my majesty, I am the one who built this wall, but when I was building this wall, I was distracted by a girl who was wearing anklets, and its sound was distracting me, and I could not focus on building the wall. Hence it fell. It is not my fault. It is the fault of the dancing girl, and I know where she lives. Then the king sent his messengers to summon the dancing girl, and the dancing girl came. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश रोहित।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today I'm going to tell you about Kingdom of Fools. So once there was a guru and his disciples. They visited a country. They visited a kingdom where they. Sorry, sir. Can I start again?
Yes, 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 sure. Sure,
Yes, sir. Once there was a kingdom in which there was king and ministers who wanted to rule the country, who wanted to rule the kingdom in their own way. So they decided to change the laws of the kingdom. And first of all, they converted the days into night and night into days. Means the day's activity would be done in the night, and the night activity would be done in the day. And they also equalized the currency. Means everything would cost only one doodoo. And one day, a guru and his disciple, they arrived to that country, arrived to that kingdom, and they found that no one was in the bright sunshine. No one was there outside, and they were astonished by the presence. They were astonished by the presence of the people there, but not the presence of the people there. They visited here and there in the day, and the sun when the sun set, everyone got out of their houses and started their work. So then they visited the countryside, and they were very hungry. So they decided to eat something, and had some bananas and rice that only cost one doodoo. And the guru was very surprised to see that all these things. So he decided to withdraw from the country, so that they could not be in big trouble. But due to foodie nature and greediness of the disciples, they decided to stay there and have the good meal and the good food that they were enjoying from quite days. So Guru returned, but the disciples stayed there. Now the story begins. Once there was a thief who was looking through a hole into the house, after taking his loot. So the wall fell on him, and he died on the spot. The brother of the thief complained to the king that the merchant's house wall fell on his brother, and he died on the spot. So he wanted justice and also compensation. The king said justice would be done, and he called the merchant. And merchant said that it was not his fault. The wall was built by a bricklayer. So he should be punished. I am not involved in it. So then bricklayer was summoned with the help of messengers sent by the king. And the bricklayer said that when he was building the wall, a dancing lady was going up and down, and the sound produced by the anklets of the lady distracted him from his work, and he was not able to build the wall correctly. So it's not his fault, and he said that he know the house of the lady, and king should punish him for the justice of thief's brother, for the justice of thief. So king called the dancing lady, who was quite old by that time. And then sir, can I tell after?
No,
That's it.
I
Okay, sir,
definitely
that's it.
know all about the story, but no.
That's
This is
it,
the
sir.
point where we stopped yesterday. Yes, come on, Anuj. अनुज नाम लिख के पार बहुत बढ़िया आ जाओ अनवी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My today's topic is about kingdoms of fools.
हाँ
So, आवाज आ रही है ना?
आ रही है बेटा शाबाश बेटा बोल बेटा
Kingdoms of fools. One time, uh, a guru, guru and Chela came to a country that were full of beautiful uh, things,
अच्छा
and the special thing
दुकान पे
of
तो आओगे,
the
दुकान
country
पे तो आओगे।
is everything is of one Dudu.
ये तो भाई साहब क्या है कि 10-11 बजे तक निकल जाएगी, ये मान लो आप जाएगी, ये बाहर जाना है इसको।
But there is no one in the bright sunlight.
खुली हुई है ना दुकान, मेरे को पता है दुकान तो
सर
खुली हुई
आवाज
है।
आ रही है? In the
आप
bright
जब भी आओ तो
sunlight,
फोन कर देना मेरे को, है ना भाई साहब?
the
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मेरे को फोन कर देना भाई साहब। आप टेंशन मत
Guru
लो।
was thinking that something is wrong here.
हम्म,
And he said to the chela that they have to go from here.
शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश, कोशिश कर, वेरी गुड, अच्छा बच्चा मेरा, कोशिश कर बेटा।
And the group come from here, but the chela have survived there only.
आराम से बोल, घबराए मत, थोड़ा सा बोल, छोटा छोटा बोल, कोई जरूरी नहीं सारी डिटेल ही बताए, है ना बेटा? अच्छे से बोल, आराम से, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, थोड़ा छोटा छोटा बोल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हाँ,
The story ends here, but the next part, that the one day a thief is sir क्या
फास्ट में आएगा। broke down, हाँ।
one day a thief broke down, but surprisingly the merchant's house wall fall down on the thief. And the brother of the thief go to the king's kingdoms and say that my brother has killed by the wall of merchant house. So the king say to his messengers to call the merchant. The merchant came and he said, "This is not lair." And the king say, "Yes, you are right." And then he called to the bricks layer. The merchant says, I know where the bricks layer live.
कब तक आएगी?
So the king called to the bricks layer, and the bricks layer came, and the bricks sir, please listen to me. This is not my mistake. This is the mistake of the dancing girl. He's her eclipse gingerling again and again. So at the last, king said that, "Oh, you are right. I want to call the dancing girl." But the dancing girl was very old.
भाई साहब मैं ये कह रहा था, सुबह कितने बजे तक आ जाओगे आप?
The dancing girl came, and the story
अभी क्या है?
would
अभी
end
क्या है?
here.
बच्ची को जाना
Sir,
है।
that's it.
पक्का है ना भाई साहब? बिल्कुल पक्का, मैं फोन करके फिर आना ही पड़ेगा आपको, वैसा रहना नहीं चाहिए काम में। ठीक है भाई साहब, ठीक है, नहीं हम तो आप ठीक है, हाँ हाँ, बात ठीक है भाई साहब, मैं फोन कर लूंगा फिर आपको उस समय। ठीक है, ठीक है भाई साहब। हाँ ठीक है भाई साहब, धन्यवाद, ठीक है भाई साहब, ओके भाई साहब, ठीक है। हाँ बेटा, थैंक यू। ओके बेटा,
Sir, that
वेरी नाइस बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, घबराया मत कर बिल्कुल भी बेटा, है ना? हाँ, सब मुझे पता है, सब हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो। यस, कम ऑन खुशी।
वो मुझे स्टोरी याद नहीं
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, अपने को कोशिश करनी है, बात खत्म, वो तो सब हो जाएगा, तेरे को कोई चिंता नहीं करनी तेरे को, ठीक है ना? बस कोशिश करनी है अपने को, तो बात खत्म हो गई। यस कमान खुशी।
सर मम्मी का फोन आ रहा है, बात कर लो क्या?
हाँ कर ले बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is
बेटा तुम चले
Kushbudha.
जाओ, सुबह
I'm
करवा लेंगे
telling
फोटो काम।
about
हाँ
a story whose name is the Kingdom of Fools.
हाँ
Uh,
बेटा
one
कागजों का
day,
काम पूरा कर लेना बेटा अभी।
a guru and his disciple
कागजों का काम पूरा कर लेना।
reached a kingdom.
ज्योति पेपर
And
एक बार देख ले कि वो किसका क्या करवाना है।
They
पेपर देख ले बेटा एक बार सारे।
they were shocked to see the kingdom because all people were sleeping during day and working during night. In the kingdom, all things were same price, and 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 uh, the king of kingdom changed the rule, day into night and night into day. And the guru was wisdom, and
Wise,
they
the guru was wise.
the guru was wise, and they thought that the country, the kingdom was the the kingdom was full, and even all people. So they want they wanted to live there, and but his disciple didn't live there. And one day the guru had lived the kingdom.
Left. और
Left.
head भी क्यों आएगा, तो गुरु left the kingdom.
Yes, sir.
आगे बोल बेटा, घबराए मत, बोल बेटा।
One day a thief was robbing, and
was robbery कैसे होएगा?
the thief was
वहाँ एक चोर आया। A thief
Yes, sir.
came, फिर
One
a thief
day,
broke the wall of a rich merchant's house. आराम से, घबराओ मत।
Yes, sir. One day a thief came there, and he was breaking a wall. Suddenly the wall was fell down
Was
on
क्यों लगा रही है?
him.
Fell down. Was क्यों? कोई बात नहीं, बोल, ध्यान कर, थोड़ा फोकस कर थोड़ा।
Fell down on him, and he died.
हाँ
And he died. And after that, the brother of thief went to the kingdom.
शाबाश, किंगडम नहीं
And
किंग। हाँ किंगडम
sorry,
तो है ही
sir.
सारा। हाँ
King. And said that my brother had killed by the wall
हेड क्यों? माय ब्रदर वाज किल्ड. हाँ बोलो.
was killed by the wall and 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 सर वो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? सर जस्टिस बोलेंगे ना?
जस्टिस.
इंसाफ.
जस्टिस.
जस्टिस.
इंडियन करेंसी कितनी देनी है?
Please
जितनी इसको
give
देगा.
me justice.
क्या पता कौन सा हमसे पूछ रही है? सोचते हैं.
And the king said that who was sir, that's it.
कोई बात नहीं. तू ऐसा बुरा सा मुंह मत बनाया कर बस. तू अच्छी. कोई बात नहीं. इतनी कोशिश कर. बहुत अच्छी बात है. ठीक है बेटा. कोई चिंता की बात नहीं. कोशिश करते रहो बस. ओके. चलिए. ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न. आई एम क्लोजिंग द क्लास. थैंक यू वेरी मच. यस मैडम. एनी टॉपिक.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Jain. I am a student of Ramban classes. Today's topic is language. A language is very important for in word. Language is a part of life.
निकालना पड़ेगा. ऊपर है बेटा वो.
We
ढक्कन में है वो.
speak
हाँ. ज्यादा
we speak
वैसे निकल
Hindi.
जाएगा. वैसे दोनों निकाल ले.
We all speak Hindi.
हाँ बोलो.
There are many different language in country.
इसमें
Language need emotion, feeling, etc. Justice, sir.
ओके. कोई बात नहीं. इजी टॉपिक लिया करो आप. है ना. कोई सी स्टोरी हो गई. कोई ऐसा सिंपल सा टॉपिक लिया करो. चलो कोई बात नहीं मैडम. कोशिश करते रहो आप बस. है ना.
Yes,
चलिए. ओके. थैंक यू वेरी मच.